Good morning guys, in front of me is XIAOMI 14 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First of all, open new message. Then click on Start Chat and here you've got keypad. Obviously you can open this panel via mail, browser, like any search area, and this is the desired place in which we can switch the keyboard dictionary. So now, once you've got it open, mark Settings icon, go to Languages, click on Add Keyboard and select the one that you want to use, tap on Done. And now you can remove unnecessary one if you want to, just click on Edit, mark it and select bin icon. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it is already changed. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.